So before I reveal the whole costume, what everything looks like all together, let's just take a look at all the different pieces of the costume, just all out separately, to kind of see what it looks like before I put it all on. Okay, so before I do get everything on, I would like to say that if you would like to make any of those specific parts, all the links to those videos are in the description, so you can go check those out if you'd like to learn how to build each individual thing. So I think first I'm going to start by getting on my pants. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Cool. Okay, so I'm just going to talk about each thing as I put it on. So these are pants. As you can see, there's paint on the back. If you can see, there's front here. There's paint, some paint here as well, right here. So there's paint, I put paint on that. So now I think the next thing I probably want to do is get on my little mask thing. So I am going to, if I can find that, give me 1 second. Okay, so I've found it, and let's just put it on. I'm not going to put it on all the way because then you can't hear me talking. So this, now I'm going to need to get on my hat. So I'll grab that, put it right here. Great, put it on. I just realized I didn't talk about this. So there's a video for this. I'll have a strap. I don't know what there's to talk about. It's not as simple as the pants. This is a hat. I don't actually have a video on this currently. I'll have templates if you want to make this in the description. There's like pieces like left and right, and then left 1 and then 2, left 1 and 2. So there's 6 pieces that make up this. So left, right, right 1, right 2, left, left 1, left 2, and then there's the brim, of course. And I'm gonna cover that on fabric. So maybe I'll do something more in-depth tutorial on that. But I kind of made it last minute when I realized I did need a hat, and I had forgotten that in the last video. Pull that out. Okay, now I'll just grab this sweatshirt. So now, one of the next things that's going to be kind of tricky, once I get the vest on, the backpack is actually kind of tricky to get on, so I'm going to have to actually go get someone to help me put that on. So the sweatshirt is not actually supposed to be zipped up, but just to help me get on the backpack, I'm going to zip that up. So now, if I just get this vest, put that on. Okay, so the next thing we're going to want to put on is this over the shoulder strap. So I'm just going to see if it even fits over all this bulk. See? Over here. Okay. Pull these together a little more. There we go. Now you can see that. Now I'm gonna have to go get the backpack on. I'll just show you. So about this strap, this strap is pretty simple. It's just a little cardboard thing there. That's simple. This backpack is something I bought a while ago. These straps, they'll feed through my sleeves so that it's tied on, but there's no straps visible. So I'm gonna go put that on. Okay, so I just got it on, as you can see. The backpack's on. So the backpack here is on. That's pretty cool. I'm starting to get really hot, so the last two things though are not that hard, so I'm just gonna pick them up, and this would be the full costume. So if I just pull this on, I won't talk for a second. Oh, let's see. So those are all different angles. So happy Halloween. This is my abstract cosplay or costume. So as I said, if you want to learn how to make I'll tell you the names of everything if you want to go make things. These spray cans were part of this video, so let's toss that one down there. This is the Renegade rollers. That's the name of the video. There's a link in the description. Toss that down. This is Abstract's tag bag. This is Abstract's mask. Then there's a video Abstract's clothes. I don't have a video on this hat, as I said. It's just, I made it kind of in this video. I'm just not going to show you because it took me a while, but really, once I got everything figured out, it wasn't too complicated. So as I said, if you want templates, you can go down to the description of this and put those together. So I do hope you enjoyed, and happy Halloween!